Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have March Manifestation Box and Mother Earth Wrap Club by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, March Manifestation Box and Mother Earth Wrap Club just arrived. Gogh Jewelry Design did send these to me for review to show you guys, so thank you so much for sending me both of your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I absolutely love this box. I love everything about it, what it represents. I love all of the jewelry. It is just breathtaking. I have two actually on right here. The beauty in it is you can stack them. You can wear multiple. You can do whatever you want with them. I absolutely love them, and I love collecting all the different colors. So every morning when I get ready, the last thing I do before I grab my purse is literally see what bracelet or wrap matches, and I put that on and I walk out the door. So every single day I'm wearing the jewelry. You can be rest assured that nothing's going to happen. You can yoga with them. You can shower with them, sleep with them. You can do pretty much anything because they're so super durable. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing's happened to any of mine so far. So let's go ahead and dive into the manifestation box. With this one, you get this really pretty blue box, ready to manifest your dreams, manifest the life you want to live. When you open this one up, it looks like that. There is a little sticker right on the top, and when we move that sticker, there is a sneak peek to inside of the box. Oops. Okay, so for the manifestation box, in this one, you get a necklace, you get a bracelet, and you get to choose your wrist size and the length of the necklace when you do sign up. You also tell them your zodiac sign because you actually get an astrology for that month that's geared just for you. And then you do have a form to go over like what they're practicing for the month, and there's meditation cards. So this one has a whole lot of goodies. It's literally tailored for you, your astrology, your wrist size, your neck length, whatever length you want your necklaces, and I absolutely love that. So let's go ahead and show you all of the paperwork that we have. There's a card and also shows some more of their wonderful jewelry. That's a thank you for supporting. So pretty. And then you have your meditation cards. They always give you two. One is for you to keep and one is for you to gift if you want, or you can just keep them both, but you do get two of them every single month. Almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, including you. Yes, definitely. So there's that. And then this month, it's going to be recharge your energy. So you have this whole entire page. Sometimes it's double-sided. This time we have a one page. So you can go through and read that whole entire thing and what we're going to be working for this month and recharging your energy. And then I am a Scorpio, so I have this whole entire form here to read on my astrology specifically, and I absolutely love that. Now let's go ahead and dive in to this little bag. It's super cute. You can always reuse these. You can leave your jewelry in here to store them or use these bags for anything else. I love the color too. A great thing about this company, and I absolutely love this, and I tell you guys in every video, I absolutely love these cards that you get. So any stone, or if there's something hanging, you do get one of these that tells you what it is. It's self-explanatory. I can pretty much read every word on here, so they're very, very user-friendly. It has an amazing picture of it, so if you want to go back to see what it is, you can see, you know, the image right there. It has the names, what they're used for, that kind of thing. So I absolutely love these. I keep these, and then it's a good reference card. So if you want to go back, be like, hey, what crystal was this again? You can go and look, see what it matches with, and then learn more about that crystal. So I love these. So for this month then, it's going to be those, oh my goodness. Oh my God, that's so pretty. So there's this healing crystal for the month. This one has got to be this jasper right here, because the other one is definitely the lighter colors that's in that bracelet. That is so gorgeous. This is, I don't know how to say that first word, but it is jasper. This jasper is very supportive during times of stress. It assists when we are feeling overwhelmed, helping to remain calm and focused. It inspires bravery and helps us to take action with unpleasant tasks while giving us the confidence to achieve goals. This jasper is a dynamic stone that utilizes courage and strength with love and gentleness. And a little gentleness. But that is super, super pretty. So you have that heart right there. And then the bracelet for this month is, again, super, super gorgeous. So it looks like there is going to be a bigger, hold on, there's a little something in there I'm trying to get out. It's like part of the string maybe. Yeah, it's just a little part of the string. Okay, so you have these that are bigger and these that are a little bit smaller. I do like that little bit of difference between this being like the top of the bracelet and this can be the rest of the bracelet because the different size. It's not too big, but it is definitely a little bit bigger of a stone. So I'm going to assume these right here are moonstone. Moonstone is a stone for new beginnings. Moonstone is a stone for inner growth and strength. Moonstone has been a connection to the magic of the moon and lunar energy. So that's moonstone. And then these down here that are all these really, really gorgeous variations of blue, I'm going to assume is aquamarine. Now, if I'm wrong, then it's vice versa. Switch those two. But I'm going to call this one aquamarine. Aquamarine has a rich color and has long been a symbol of youth, health, and hope. It increases one's access to courage. The serene color of aquamarine is said to cool the temper, allowing the wearer to remain calm and level-headed. Its pale, cool color beautifully complements spring and summer wardrobes. Yes, definitely. But those, again, those are just gorgeous. I love the different color variations. Some of them are like a deeper blue, a lighter blue, even like almost like a white to like a clear. Like those are just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get into the necklace. Let me hide this one. Here in this box, again, you can keep them in here. You can use these boxes for anything, but you do have this little box here. When you open her up, you will have the same cards. And then the, oh, you are beautiful. Okay, hold on. Let me get you untwisted here. Okay, so I'll leave this on the card so you can kind of see it in a better way. But look at how pretty that is. So there's two different things here. The one on the side, that is onyx. So we have an onyx card here. Onyx helps one have self-control and anchors one's flighty energy into a more stable way of life. It is a stone of inner strength and endurance, helping one to carry even the most difficult tasks to completion. That's awesome. And then the next one is going to be, it says, Amanzanite, called the stone of courage and the stone of truth. Amanzanite empowers one to search the self and discovers one's own truth and integrity, and to move beyond fear of judgment or confrontation with others to live in alignment with those beliefs and values. It provides the freedom to express one's thoughts and feelings. Isn't that gorgeous? And it totally matches what I'm wearing. I always end up wearing like the right colors with this box, I swear. I always end up wearing the right colors. Most of the jewelry is silver tone, which I am a silver hoe. I love silver. I cannot stand yellow gold myself. Sometimes you might get a yellow gold or a rose gold, but generally speaking, the chain is normally silver. It's not 100%, but it's normally silver. So if you're like me and you love silver, then you don't have to worry because most of them are silver. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my gosh, and it matches perfectly. And look at that bracelet. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I think last month I said was like my favorite so far, but this one is definitely like right up there with it. I love these colors. That is just gorgeous. So that is everything that came in the manifestation box. You have this beautiful bracelet, this necklace, you have the healing crystal, and then you have your astrology and the paper to read for this specific month, and you have the cards. All right, you guys, so now let's go ahead and dive into the Mother Earth Wrap Club. With this one, you do not get the astrology or what you're working with, that kind of thing. You get the wrap bracelet and then one small little goodie. It could be a healing crystal. It could be a little aromatherapy, little ball thing. I think there was like a really cool thing that you can scratch off every month. So it can be anything that is in here with it. And I like that they do give you a little something with the wrap bracelet. So it always comes down in this envelope. And we pull everything out. Yes. Oh, so this month's little gift with the bracelet is going to be a face mask, but it's a 3-step. I actually really like this 3 steps, so it's not just 1 step. So step 1 is the enzyme cleanser. Step 2 is the sheet mask. And then step 3 is the prickly pear moisturizer. I love that. Again, I love when there's like a 3-step more than just the 1 step. So that is super neat. So there's that. You also do have some paperwork in here, and it does show you some more of their Mother Earth wrap bracelets. Again, you can stack them. You can do all of that, but ooh, look at how beautiful. They just have the best jewelry when it comes to like crystal jewelry. Oh my gosh. And you can purchase everything individually. So if you don't want to go straight to a monthly subscription committed, you can shop their shop and purchase all of their bracelets, the wraps, there's anklets, there's all kinds of stuff and crystals that you can purchase from their website. And then they do have this card that gives you some more jewelry, little images there you can see. Now let's go ahead and dive into the wrap. It comes in this box that says Mother Earth Wrap Club. And oh, I was like, oh, I didn't get my cards. Yes, I did. They're right there. That would have been a first, let me tell you. This is gorgeous. Okay, so there's only 1 card for this, so I'm going to assume this entire bracelet and this little dangle is all this same crystal, which is aquamarine. But look at all of those colors. There's like a little bit of like browns, tans, like a light pinkish mauvish kind of color, light greens, light blues. There's just beautiful light tone colors in that variation. That is gorgeous. Aquamarine increases one's access to courage, and it's the best crystal for hope. It is believed that one who wears aquamarine has a better ability to think clearly and make quick decisions. It promotes motivation and comforts in times of intense physical and emotional release while supporting one through the process. That is awesome. And this one, let's go ahead and get it on my wrist. Look at that. And look at both of them put together. But oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. That is just beautiful. I love those colors. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, so now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. You guys, you have this beautiful wrap bracelet with aquamarine. Oh my goodness. That is just, again, that is just gorgeous. I love them. You know, I'll put this one on this side. I got 3 on this side now. Here, how about I do it this way? There we go. I got 3 on this side now. I got the wrap on this side. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for the Mother Earth Wrap Club and the manifestation box for March. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the stones that was used? What do you think of the wrap versus the bracelet? What would you have liked better if you got it? Would you have wanted both? Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you want a little bit more information about this company, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 20% off your first subscription box or your online purchase. Again, you can purchase anything online without having a subscription, and SheCrafty will save you that 20% off the subscription or the shop. This monthly subscription box is for everyone who wants to manifest living happy and was born with a desire to spread positivity and aid conscious living. This is a crystal subscription box, jewelry subscription box, holistic subscription box, inspirational subscription box, and even a self-help subscription box all rolled into one. If you want to do the manifestation box, so month to month, it's $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6-month plan will bring it down to $34, and a 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down to $33 per box. If you're interested in the Mother Earth Wrap Club, where you get this amazing wrap bracelet and one little goodie with it. This one, if you do month to month, it is $39 per month. 3 months would be $36. A 6-month plan would be $34, and a 12-month plan will bring it down to $33 per month. She also does donate, and I absolutely love when companies do donate, because when shopping through them, we all get to help each other. So if you wanted to check out her mission and where she does donate, she has a whole page on all of that on her website. You can definitely go check them out. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. You can go to their website and check everything out if you would like, and SheCrafty will get you that 20% off if you are interested. So now that is everything for both of these boxes. Definitely comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.